Hey cadets, I have a question for you. Why do you have a wallet? Well, my guess is that you use it to keep assets such as your ID card, credit card, or even cash on hand for transactions. You can choose to pay for a subscription to your favorite music platform, purchase real estate, and so on. That's how a digital wallet, often known as an e-wallet, works. It's just a software-based solution that keeps users' payment information and passwords for a variety of payment methods and websites in a secure manner. A digital wallet is typically carried in the form of a smartphone app, but it can also be used on a desktop. Due to its mobility and versatility, the mobile app is the most popular version of the digital wallet. Digital wallets are used to store cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Fantom, and even NFTs, even non-fungible tokens from the ERC 721 or 1155 format. Each contains a digital signature that prevents NFTs from being substituted for or compared to one another, hence non-fungible. NFTs are unique in their own way. Hold on to your wallets. Let's jump into it.
Cryptonauts.
So what exactly is an NFT? Drawings, music, or even your brain being downloaded and converted into AI is an example of NFTs. But the current buzz is to use this technology to sell digital art. To put it another way, in terms of tangible art collecting, anyone can buy a Monet print. The original, on the other hand, can only be possessed by one individual. If you possessed between $1,800 and $560,000, you could technically sell anything digital, including pieces from Quartz and the New York Times, as an NFT. An NFT is a digital asset that depicts real-world components such as art, music, in-game items, and films. They're frequently encoded with the same software as many other cryptos. These digital assets are selling like 17th century exotic Dutch tulips, with some costing millions of dollars. They vary from art and music to tacos and toilet paper. For example, acclaimed digital artist Mike Winkelmann, better known as Beeple, possibly created the most famous NFT of the moment, Every Day's The First 5,000 Days, which sold at Christie's for a record-breaking $69.3 million. That's a lot. Individual images, or perhaps the full collage of images, can be viewed for free on the internet. So why are people prepared to spend millions of dollars on something that might be easily screenshotted or downloaded? Because an NFT permits the buyer to keep the original object. It also has built-in authentication, which acts as proof of ownership, similar to exclusive ownership rights. This digital bragging rights stuff is almost as valuable as the item itself to the collectors. Just take a look at the profiles of crypto Twitter. NFTs can represent both tangible and intangible objects, such as GIFs, JPEGs, art, collectibles, videos, sports highlights like LeBron James doing a crazy dunk, designer shoes, and virtual game avatars, and even instrumental music. Thanks to blockchain technology and NFTs, artists and content creators have a one-of-a-kind opportunity to monetize their work. Artists, for example, are no longer reliant on galleries or auction houses to sell their work. Instead, the artist can sell it directly to the customer as an NFT, allowing them to keep a high percentage of the profit. Additionally, artists can incorporate royalties into their program so that when their work is sold to a new owner, they also receive a portion of the proceeds. If you want to create your NFT collection, you'll need a digital wallet where you can store your NFTs. That's right, you have to get yourself a safe and secure digital wallet. This drives us to Art Wallet. Art Wallet is a smart and secure NFT wallet for artists, and it's a 21st century NFT-based equivalent of iTunes and Spotify, founded by Joel Dietz. So Joel actually is a founding member of Ethereum and MetaMask, so you know he's the real deal. At the moment, this initiative is causing a stir in the creative community. Art Wallet essentially is a smart and safe storage platform for your NFTs that connects you to the most trustworthy marketplaces. You can buy, store, trade, and own exclusive NFTs in this marketplace and in the wallet itself. Just as we listen to music on Spotify, watch videos on Netflix and YouTube in the real world, we make payments for these services with our credit cards. You can also do all of that and even more on the Art Wallet platform. But instead of using your card, you'll use the OneArt token and NFTs. The platform provides a large market option with people from all around the world transacting in a secure and safe atmosphere. Art Wallet also operates as a media distribution vehicle that enables the streaming of unique audio and visual content only available to your individual customers. It allows you to store your digital art, real estate, collectibles, and other NFTs smartly and securely. Also, for a limited time, you can rent unique NFT content. With Art Wallet, you may enjoy cutting-edge materials while only paying for the time you use them. Pretty cool. So Art Wallet is the ideal answer for the NFT business as it addresses the market's fundamental issues. With support from the Hackin Foundation, Art Wallet has built a true multi-chain wallet that allows NFT collectors to bridge their assets between blockchains directly within the app. Imagine being able to bridge your Bored Ape NFT across all of the chains. Art Wallet supports Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and now the ever so popular Fantom Opera. By the way, I hope you all loaded up your FTM bags because I sure did. In conclusion, I see that NFTs are becoming more popular as we get closer to 2022. Artists are opting out of the traditional world to jump into NFTs to sell their work because they're fair and inventive. This is likely going to become the future of distribution as we know it. Overall, Art Wallet is a huge engineering task that necessitates the collaboration of many people and a great amount of effort. Although the future is unknown, the progress of the digital world and technology as we know it today will continue to progress. This is unavoidable. You might as well be on the right side of it. So what do you guys think of Art Wallet? Are you guys going to use it? You know that it's going to be on Fantom, right? It's pretty exciting. So let us know your comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And as always, HODL, Secure Crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik be with you always.